Hi, welcome to the Blue Shack. My name's Joe, and today I'm going to be working on another project. Let's get started. This ring is being made with grade 702 zirconium, and its serial number is Z70200026. I'm going to bring the ring to size, form its shape, and finish it before final polish. And I'm excited to get started. Let's go. I just finished boring the inside of the ring to the right size. Now it's time to start trimming down the outside. Now that I've got it bored out to size and the outside carved down to the right dimensions, it's time for me to give the inside edge just a little bit of a bevel. Got that bevel cut. Now it's time to give this ring its first taste of sandpaper and polish. I'm just going to finish up the inside with 5 different grits of sandpaper, 320, 400, 600, 1000, and 2000, followed by a coarse grit polish, and that'll make it nice and smooth and comfortable to wear. Now that the inside's looking all nice and shiny and pretty, it's time to actually make this a ring. And I do that by parting it off. So I need to change tools real quick to put on my parting tool. And this is one of my favorite parts, is parting a ring off. Beginnings of the ring. Shiny inside, and it's actually its own separate ring now. Now it's time to remove this giant chuck and put this on a ring mandrel to finish it up. To bevel the other inside edge. Now I'm going to true up the outside of the ring and give it a little bit of shaping before the next step. Time to do some sanding and polishing. I'm going to use the 5 different grits of sandpaper again, and this time I'm going to use 3 grades of polish to get it nice and shiny before I move on to the next step. It's coming along. now its basic shape, all polished up and shiny and ready to go have some fun with. I'll meet you over at the bench sander over there. I'm over at the bench sander about to make some sparks fly. All finished except for getting it a little darker for you. Time to set it on fire. Well, I think that came out rather nice. That's Blue Shack ring number Z70200026. If this is your ring, thank you for trusting me with it.